Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to make money today because it allows you to turn a simple skill into income. You don't need a boss, an office, or expensive equipment. Just one skill, a laptop or phone, and internet access. By working online, you can offer your services to people all around the world, get paid for your work, and build freedom step by step. This video is divided into 7 steps to start your first project and first money. Step 1. Choose one skill. Don't try to do everything. Pick one skill that people need, like graphic design, video editing, or writing. Focus on one skill, learn it well, and this will be your first way to make money with freelancing. Creative freelance jobs are perfect if you like design and content creation. You can work as a graphic designer, video editor, logo designer, or thumbnail designer. These jobs are in high demand on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. With creativity and practice, you can turn simple ideas into paid work and grow your income online. Step 2. Learn the basics. Now that you've chosen your skill, it's time to learn it properly. Use free resources like YouTube, online tutorials, and practice exercises. You don't need to be an expert from day one. Focus on understanding the basics and improving a little every day. The more you practice, the more confident you become. And confidence is what helps you get your first freelance clients. Step 3. Create a freelance account. Now it's time to go online and show your skill to the world. Create accounts on freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour, TopTal, and Guru. Choose 1 or 2 platforms to start and complete your profile carefully. Write a clear description of what you do, how you help clients, and why they should choose you. This profile is your online business card, so make it simple, honest, and professional. Step 4. Build a small portfolio. Before clients pay you, they want proof of your skills. A portfolio shows what you can do, not what you say you can do. If you don't have real clients yet, don't worry. Create sample projects for yourself. Make 2 or 3 examples that match the service you want to sell. Focus on quality, not quantity. Your portfolio doesn't need to be perfect, but it must be clear, professional, and honest. A good portfolio builds trust, confidence, and helps clients decide to hire you. Step 5. Start with free work, then get paid. Offer your services for free to your first 3 clients. This might feel strange, but it's a smart strategy. Doing free projects helps you understand how clients work, improve your skills in real situations, and collect honest feedback and reviews. These first 3 projects become proof of your abilities. Once you finish them and feel confident, you can start charging for your work. From now on, every new client pays you for your services, and you can gradually increase your prices as you get better. This method gives you a strong foundation, helps you get your first real clients, and sets you up for long-term success in freelancing. Step 6. Apply every day. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Go and send proposals to new jobs every day. Even if you don't get a reply at first, each application is practice and increases your chance to land a client. Freelancing is competitive, so staying consistent is the key. Always respond quickly to messages and questions from clients. Being active shows that you are serious and professional. The more you engage with clients and stay visible on the platform, the faster you will get your first paid projects and start building your reputation. Step 7. Deliver good work and grow. Focus on giving high-quality work. Complete tasks on time, follow instructions carefully, and always do your best. Happy clients leave positive reviews, and reviews help you get more clients. As you finish more projects, your skills and confidence will grow, You can start charging higher prices and take bigger projects. Keep learning, improving, and building your portfolio. Freelancing is not just about making money. It's about building a career, gaining freedom, and growing step by step.